Alright, so this is our DC powered CDI. There is a difference I've found out. There's AC powered and DC powered. Looks like they gave us a little note. And it says that they are a trustworthy and honest seller, and they want us to give them a good feedback. They did ship the part really quick. Again, Amazon Prime and Wingsmoto DC CDI, and that's that guy right there. Looks like that's everything we need. Pretty generic. It's got the 4-pin and the 6 and the 2-pin, and it is round. So if you have the square style, you would need the round to square adapter. But this is DC powered, so make sure yours is DC powered. Apparently they are less common than the AC powered ones, so you will mess up your stuff if you wire up the wrong one. Alright, thank you.